How to fix iPhone swipe up not working. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down. Head towards the option of accessibility. Open it. Now from here you have to head towards the option of voice control. Open it. Make sure you haven't set any voice control. Once you check this, head back. Go to the main page of settings. Open the option Control Center. Make sure you have toggle on for the option of access within apps. After you check this, head back, scroll down, open the option Face ID and Passcode. Now scroll down. You will find this section of Control Center over here. Make sure you have toggle on for this option. Once you check this, head back, go to the main page of settings, open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings. Now enter your phone's passcode and continue with the process to reset all the settings. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now heading towards very last solution, you can force restart your device. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone swipe up not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.